mar fwambo. Kadhi nyime jatend migawo mar omenda Mbadi wacho ni piny owacho onge kod omenda moromo ma ndiko jopuonj mag JSS. Mbadi mane lose wang' jowi mar CTV kata Citizen TV olero ni omenda mosechwal ne duol mandiko jopuonj tich ok oromo ndiko jopuonj asika kod medo jopuonje mamoko 20,000 mosebedi ka diro mondo mi ondik tich. Mbadi wacho ni omenda mantie gi sani ma gisechiwo ne TSC en mar chulo sala kod omenda mamoko mabalang'.
Recently, there was a Supplementary Appropriations Act that also spoke to that. Are resources available now? Or what?
No. We don't have resources for recruiting JSS teachers on permanent. That would be lying, and we don't have resources for the additional 20,000. That was reduced in the estimates. There was a mention, that was a mention from the Departmental Committee of Education, but the final figure that was carried to the budget doesn't have it. So it's there's a shortfall of about 13 billion shillings, yes.
Shortfall. So how much was availed in regards to the JSS teachers? Would you know?
There's no money availed for...
No money availed for conversion?
No money, unless now we again do budget adjustments, which we really don't have that space as we speak. So we all know that this year is a year of serious challenge. We are trying to manage the budget.
Ramogi kamano kuom medo bedo kod obedo kwa kauyo